Hi, today I'll introduce you to your own AI chatbot, an intelligent virtual assistant tool designed to help your team and your clients get answers instantly. Instead of waiting for your support or browsing through documents, your clients can simply ask questions and the chatbot gives them contextual responses based on the knowledge that you have provided. Now, it is available 24/7. I'll show you how to build and interact with the chatbot. After you have landed on the dashboard, you can go to AI Assistant and click on Overview. We start with the knowledge base. Click on it. Here you can add any file that is relevant to your expertise and the kinds of services that you provide. Add the file here. Next, you can even add YouTube videos that are relevant to your expertise. Let's say you are a health and wellness coach and your specialty is PCOD. So you can add relative YouTube videos on the same. Now, after that, you can go to the persona. So persona is basically building a personality to your chatbot. So I'll give a bot name. I have given my own name here and a greeting message like, hi, how can I help you today? You can even customize this. Next, you can give a behavior tone to this. You can choose friendly, professional, casual or formal. Now, after this, you can enable the escalate pricing questions and give some hard rules to the bot. So I have given something like, if you do not have information to any question, redirect to me and do not offer any session that is not yet published. Now, after I have given the hard rules, I can go and save the settings. Lastly, you can go to preview and see how the chatbot works for your clients. Let me ask a very simple question. I'm a beginner in yoga. Can you guide me? Oh, look what the chatbot has provided me with. It has already given me a session on yoga that I can learn yoga postures, weight management and body balance. My clients can actually book the session from here itself. So, this is how the future of customer engagement is using Qynko's AI assistant. So, create your own chatbot and let it do the talking. Thank you.